Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2019 Honda Accord Sport in modern steel metallic. With LED headlights, front fog lights, 19-inch aluminum wheels, body-colored power side mirrors, LED taillights, power adjustable driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, lane departure warning, 7-inch touchscreen display, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, dual zone temp control, 60/40 split rear seats, remote trunk release, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5422H.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.